for this one, we have a clip up top. And actually, so that we don't break it, this is our little panel popper tool. Just go right in there, and it should just, well, doesn't look like it's gonna pop right out. Well, actually, we're just gonna leave that in for the time being. We'll be able to take out the headliner without that. Next, I'm gonna go to the back here. And this is basically just like your, basically like your handles up front. Little tab that you pull down. And then, looks like we might have another torque up here. Yes, sir. Pull that out, keep that in there. Push that back in, throw it in the door. Next, looks like, there's this, you guys probably can't see it that well, but there's this little access point right here where you can put the spoon into, and you just pull down, go all the way around, which this might just come down with the headliner. Yep, that one's just gonna come down with the headliner. Next, we're gonna move to the other side of the car. It's gonna be the same thing on this side. Pull that little tab down, go back up in there, screw it, pull that out. Oh, drop the screw. Put that back in there, close the tab, and the door you go. Next, go up front. Do the same thing with this visor. Pull off the little cover piece. Sorry if it's kind of hard to see in here. It is a little dark right now. Hopefully we'll get some better lighting soon. Throw that down in there. Take your two screws out. Throw those in there. Pull that down. Make sure to take this out. Throw that in there. Now a lot of times there's this centerpiece right here. Usually you'd have to unclip it or unscrew it, but this one just comes down with the headliner. This light fixture as well comes down with the headliner on this car. We're gonna go ahead and take this A-pillar, pull it out, and actually that'll be enough room right there. And next, let's make sure that there's no clips in the back here at all. So what we'll do is we'll take our light, and there's two clips right here, and we'll again use our little green